At Walker Products, quality's not just a commitment, it's a legacy that began in 1946, and today, it's part of what we term the Walker Advantage. For nearly 80 years, we've led the industry in the manufacturing and distribution of premium engine management sensors, emission controls, ignition, and fuel delivery products. Our mission is simple: to deliver solutions that meet or exceed OE specifications, ensuring reliability, performance, and longevity. Walker Products delivers what our customers need: quality solutions every time. Our comprehensive engineering process involves tens of thousands of genuine OE samples for advanced 3D scanning, multi-stage inspection, and rigorous testing. From sophisticated oxygen sensors to legacy carburetor parts, we ensure our parts always 100% match the exact OE form, fit, and function. Our product range covers the full spectrum of engine management needs. From advanced engine sensors to carburetor rebuild kits, Walker Products has the industry covered. Our engine management systems, such as mass airflow sensors and camshaft-crankshaft position sensors, ensure that engines run smoothly and efficiently, providing optimal performance and fuel economy. Our ignition systems, which include our premium quality spark plug wires and ignition coils, are built to meet the unique demands of every engine. For emission control, Walker Products is the leader in oxygen and NOx sensors, designed to help reduce harmful emissions and improve air quality while ensuring compliance with strict environmental regulations. Our fuel delivery components, including fuel injection and carburetor repair kits and related parts, keep engines running at peak efficiency whether on the road or in the field. At Walker Products, availability is as important as quality. We understand that downtime is costly, which is why we invest heavily in inventory management and demand planning to ensure that our products are always ready when our customers need them. From strategically located warehouses across the globe to our state-of-the-art shipping operations, we focus relentlessly on getting the right part to the right place, on time, every time. Our distribution centers ship tens of thousands of parts daily, meeting the needs of a diverse global customer base. We are ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 certified, further underscoring our unwavering commitment to quality and continual improvement. These certifications reflect our dedication to producing parts that not only perform, but also meet the highest global standards in safety, precision, and reliability. At Walker Products, our commitment to excellence extends beyond our products. We're committed to reducing our environmental footprint. Our facilities are equipped with solar panels, generating nearly all the electricity we use, helping us operate sustainably. We've converted all our lighting to energy-efficient LEDs, and we've invested in recycling programs to reduce our waste output. This is the Walker Advantage. It's not just about quality parts, it's about quality partnerships, leading product coverage, and unmatched support. From the smallest fuel components to our advanced engine management systems, Walker Products is committed to exceeding the industry standards. Always OE quality, always Walker Products.